here to present to the NWC some of the actions that we are proposing to address the problems of load shedding in the country. Let me start by saying the following, that I had indicated any degree of deterioration of the grid. I'll communicate that directly with the South African public. I had noted some reportage that suggests that we are already at stage 8. I want to say that such information is not sitting with me. I've been engaging with Eskom. We've had a discussion with the board, myself and Minister Godan, early last week with regards to what we call the winter plan, because we are anticipating that the demand is going to rise significantly from the now 32,000 megawatts to 35 and up to 37,000 megawatts. So from Eskom's winter plan, what was presented before us, we're still now at stage 6, and in fact this evening we'll also be engaging with Eskom just to get an update in relation to the performance of the grid.